Good morning, students. This is Amit Daya. I welcome you all in Master Amit Daya classes, and I hope you are safe at your home. And I request you all be stay your home to avoid COVID-19. And today we are going to learn some most important theorems that are related to areas of two similar triangles. So areas of two similar triangles, areas of ratio of two similar triangles is equal to the square of ratio of their corresponding sides, a ratio of their medians, a ratio of their altitudes, and a ratio of their angle bisectors. So let's move ahead. Now we are going to first prove that area ratio of the areas of two similar triangles are equal to the ratio of the square of any two corresponding sides. मतलब समझे, what is given here? The given is two triangles are similar. What is given here? Two triangles are similar, and area of these two triangles ratio is equal to ratio of their corresponding side whole square, or square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So let's move ahead. First of all, we are talking about the area of triangle, so you should know about the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. Now height is not there, so we have to construct in the given triangle. So again I am repeating what is given here. Two triangles ABC and DEF are similar triangles. What I have to prove? Ratio of area of ABC to the triangle DEF is equal to AB upon DF whole square, or A square upon में DE square is equal to BC upon EF whole square, or BC square upon EF square is equal to AC square upon में DF square. So let's move ahead. So construction we have to do. So draw a perpendicular from vertex A and D on the side BC and EF respectively. So AL is the perpendicular on side BC and DM is the perpendicular on the side EF, and we know that ratio is asking. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. Half base is BC into height is AL, and area of triangle DF is equal to half into EF into DM. Half is cancel out half, and the what left BC upon EF is into AL upon DM. Make this equation number 1. So यहाँ से दिमाग लगाना कि हमने प्रूव क्या करना था और हमारे पास आ क्या गया है. प्रूव हमने करना था कि BC अपॉन EF का होल स्क्वायर हो जाए, और यहाँ मेरे पास क्या आ गया AL अपॉन DM इंटू BC अपॉन EF. अगर AL अपॉन DM मेरे पास कहीं से BC अपॉन EF आ जाए, दोनों की मल्टीप्लाई करूँगा तो क्या आएगा BC अपॉन EF का होल स्क्वायर. Now what you have to do, you have to make a plan in your mind that AL upon DM, how we are going to prove AL upon DM is equal to BC upon EF. What is given here? Given here triangles ABC similar to the triangle DEF. अगर ये similar हैं तो माइंड में थॉट जाना चाहिए क्या कि ट्रायंगल सिमिलर होने से क्या होता है. ट्रायंगल सिमिलर होने से क्या होता है? ऑल द कोरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स ऑफ वन ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू द all other angles of the second triangle, and ratio of corresponding sides should be the same, must be the same. So ratio of the sides of the corresponding ratio of the sides should be the same, and angles are equal. So to prove AL upon DM is equal to BC upon EF, we have to prove any two triangles similar. So which two triangles? AL and BC. So we are having triangles ALB and triangle DME. ALB and DME. ALB and DME. So how you are going to prove this? We are having angle B is equal to angle E. Why? Because triangles are similar. And angle L and angle M is equal to 90. Why? Because by construction. So two triangles में अगर दो एंगल कोरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स इक्वल हैं, by which similarity rule, angle similarity rule, we can say that these two triangles are similar. So triangle ALB similar triangle DME by angle similarity rule. So AL upon DM is equal to AB upon DE, and AB upon DE किसके इक्वल थी? BC upon EF is equal to AC upon EF DF. Yes or no? So in place of AL upon DM we can write AB upon DE, or we can write BC upon EF, or we can write AC upon DF. So triangle, this ratio equation number 1, this we proved कि AL upon DM is equal to AB upon DE, or we can write BC upon EF. So in place of AL upon DM, are you able to write this BC upon EF? Yes. So BC upon EF into BC upon EF, we can say that BC upon EF का whole square, or BC square upon EF square, or we can write AB upon DE का square is equal to AC upon DF का whole square. I hope you understood this theorem. If you are not understood, please repeat this again. Watch this video from the starting. You have to understand this, because if you are not understanding this, then we can't move ahead. So first understood this. So let's start for the second. From equation 1 and 2, we proved that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to BC upon EF का होल स्क्वायर. अगर मुझे एल्टीट्यूड का रेशियो का स्क्वायर प्रूव करना है तो कैसे? हमने अभी प्रूव किया है पीछे कि AB अपॉन DE इज इक्वल टू AL अपॉन DM. और इस इक्वेशन में सेकेंड इक्वेशन में अगर मैं यहाँ पे इन प्लेस ऑफ BC अपॉन EF AL अपॉन DM लिख दूँ, BC अपॉन EF AL अपॉन DM लिख दूँ, तो AL अपॉन DM का होल स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. यस और नो? इन प्लेस ऑफ BC अपॉन EF वी कैन राइट AL अपॉन DM इंटू AL अपॉन DM, सो AL अपॉन DM का होल स्क्वायर. Thus the areas of two similar triangles are in the ratio of the square of the corresponding altitudes. So second theorems we did. Next very important theorems. The areas of two similar triangles are in the ratios of the square of the corresponding medians and the angle bisectors. So let's, what is given here? Same given is two triangles are similar, triangle ABC and DEF are similar triangles. अगर सिमिलर हैं तो क्या होगा? एंगल A D के इक्वल, एंगल B C के इक्वल, एंगल B Q के E के इक्वल, एंगल C F के इक्वल. Corresponding angles are equal and the ratio of their sides are also equal. So and AL is the median and DM is the median, so median divides the opposite side into two equal parts. So BL is equal to LC, and we can say that 2 times of BL is equal to BC, and 2 times of LC is equal to BC, 2 times of ME is equal to EF, 2 times of MF is equal to EF. So to prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DF is equal to AL upon DM whole square, and AL and DM is here medians. Now we know that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DF is, we proved that AB upon DE whole square, BC upon EF whole square, AC upon DF whole square, and AL upon DM, or it means altitude, ratio of altitude square. Now अगर मैं प्रूव कर पाऊँ कि AL upon DM is equal to AB upon DE, और BC upon EF और AC upon DF, then we can इक्वल रख देंगे. in place of AB upon DM we can say AL upon DM and the equals. So ratio can be the equal by proving two triangles similar, but which triangles? So we are taking triangles ALB and triangle DME. ALB and triangle DME. So BE, angle B is equal to angle E. Why? Triangle similar given. AB upon D is equal to BC upon EF. Why? Triangles are similar. Or we can write that BC is equal to 2 times of BL and EF is equal to 2 times of EM. Then this is cancel out, 2 is cancel out with 2, and then AB upon D is equal to BL upon EM. If AL upon AB upon DM is given, BL upon EM is given, the ratio of two corresponding sides are equal and one included angle is equal, then triangles are similar. By which rule? Side angle side similarity criterion. So we can say that triangles are similar by side angle. This is written here wrong. Side angle side similarity rules. AL upon DM is equal to AB upon DE. If similar, then ratio of sides are equal, then AL upon DM is equal to AB upon DE. Now put this in equation number 1. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to AL upon DM ka whole square, and AL and DM are the medians. So we can say that it is the ratio of square of medians. Now for angle bisector, if you are able to prove angle bisector, this ALB and DME, again ALB and DME for angle bisector. Angle B is equal to angle E, angle A ka half and angle D ka half, half of the angle A and half of the angle D. Half of the angle A is angle 1 and half of the angle D is 2. So BE equal to E and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Two angles are equal, then triangles are similar. So ALB triangle similar to the triangle DME. So angle similarity criteria. So ratio equal AL upon DM is equal to AB upon DE. In write again, AB upon D is equal to AL upon DM whole square. So we can say that angle bisector, square of ratio of angle bisector. I hope you understood these four very important theorems. Let's move ahead. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Master Amit Daya Classes. If you are having any doubt, then comment me, and be safe. Stay at your home. Wash your hand again and again. Thank you. Have a good day.